Jai Hind students, today we are going to look into numericals of product method. So first, how will you identify that the question is on the basis of product method? So just see the components that we have studied under the formula. Sales, there will be sales or there will be purchase or there will be exports or imports like that. So we have to identify that this problem is based on product method. So next, how will you calculate it? So here first question is an economy. It is from your textbook. An economy has only two firms A and B. On the basis of following information about the firms, find out value added by firm A and firm B. So first you have to find value added, then GDP at a market price. So how will you find? Here you can see that firm A and B is given separately. So you have to find the value separately. Then you have to add the values to find GVA MP as total, or we can say that GDP MP as total. So GVA MP of firm A, that's the gross value added of firm A, is a value of output. As you know that as it is product method, you have to find the GDP MP at first. So first of all, when you get a question, first you identify the problem, whether it is product, income or expenditure method. Then as I had told you, it has to be what it has to be found first. You have to find that and keep it with you, then convert to the other form. So next, GVAMP is equal to value of output minus value of intermediate consumption. So what is value of output? So a value of output means what? You had studied earlier that it will be what? Sales plus exports comes under value of output. Okay, so here sales of sales here which and all comes here, you have to find. So here sales, first you can see that sales to household by firm A. So firm A is selling something to the household. So 90, the value 90 comes here, sales. Okay, so next we will be finding next that is sales to firm B by firm A. It is also firm A's sales. So 40 again comes here. Next, you can just see exports by firm A. That's 20. It will export will also come under value of output. So you can add these. Then you can find a 150. Here value of intermediate consumption. Value of intermediate consumption means purchase of something. So you have to read the question and find if firm A is purchased something. So just see, you can see at first imports or by firm A. So 50 will come here, you know. Next you can say that see that sales sales to firm B, firm A by firm B. So it's a purchase of firm A. So again 30 will come here. Next you can see you are adding these terms and you will be getting 150. Then adding 50 plus 30 you will be getting 80. Subtracting that you will be getting 70. So that is GVA MP. So next you have to similarly find the firm B. So first GVA MP of value of output minus value of intermediate consumption. So here you just read the question. So here it's it's regarding A. So where the B comes, you have to just read and understand. So just read here. So this value we had a we had a read it's of B. So sales to firm B by firm A. So it's a purchase of firm B. So it will be coming 40 will be coming here. Okay, value of intermediate consumption, here it will be coming. So that's the 40 here. Next you can see that sales to firm A by firm B. So it's a what is that? Sales to firm A. So by firm B. So it's a sale of B. Okay. So who is to whom it is selling firm A. So it is 30 will come here. Next, sales to household by firm B. So here it's a household. To household it is selling, firm B is selling, so 60 will come here. So what is the answer? By adding these two you will be getting 90. 90 minus 40 is equal to 50. 50 is the answer. So by adding these two you will be getting GVA MP as total 120 lakhs. So we can go to next question. Find out, it's another model of question. Find out net value added at factor cost. So at first I had told you we have to find in product method GVAMP or GDPMP at first. So here then we can convert to GVA at factor cost. NVA at factor cost. Okay. So first initially you find that. So GVAMP. So how will you find? You want the gross value of gross value minus intermediate cost. You want that. So at first you just find the GVOMP. So sales plus change in stock is the formula for that. So here you can see price per unit of output is another form of question. So price and output is given. So you can multiply these two. Then 25 into 1000 plus that is plus the change in stock is added. So it's minus 500. So it's minus the 500 here, 2000, that is 25,000 minus 500. So what is the answer? 24,500. So GVAMP is equal to GVOMP minus intermediate cost. So it's we had found 24,500 minus question, it's given 7,000. 7,000 equal to 17,500 is the answer. So how will you convert this form, that is GVAMP to that is, what is the question? Net value added at factor cost, NVAFC. Okay. So first you have to just see gross. G is given here. So how will you convert G to N? So how will you convert? You will be subtracting depreciation to convert gross to net. The given value, that is GVAMP, has to be written in the formula minus the conversion, that is minus the depreciation. Gross to net minus depreciation. Next you can see the terms VA both are value added both are same, so no change to be made there. Then here MP is to be converted to FC. So what will you do? It's a minus net indirect taxes. So you just find whether net indirect taxes is given in the question. Yes, excise duty is given. So you can subtract indirect tax it is given, it is allowed given in the question. So you have to subtract that value. So minus 5,000. So what will be the answer? 11,500 is the answer. Hope you understood. So it's another form of question. So next we will be moving to another form. So here another form, it is from your textbook itself. So just see what is given. Sales, closing stock, opening stock, etc. The terms you know that. So how will you find? GVOMP is equal to, you know that. What is the question to be found? Did you read that? Calculate the net value added at a market price during the year. So that is to be found. So initial stage, at first when you find product method, you have to find a GVA MP or GDP MP. So what is the answer? So you have to find this. So sales plus change in stock. So sales plus change in stock means closing stock minus opening stock, it is given. So 90 plus 25 minus 15 it is given here. Then it is we will be getting 90 plus 10 equal to 100. So GVAMP is equal to GVOMP minus intermediate cost. So it's given in the question. That's we had found it here. 100 minus intermediate cost is given in the question, consumption is given, so 40 equal to 60. So how as we had done earlier, here you have to find the market price. So where factor cost, conversion to factor cost is not needed, and in the NIT is not to be subtracted. So you can see the gross to net. So what will you do? It's a minus depreciation. So 60 minus 20 is equal to 40. Just we will look into another question. Determine GVAMP for primary, secondary and tertiary sector and national income from the following data. So you have to find GVAMP and national income. So you the values have been given, value of output, different sectors have been given, primary, secondary and tertiary. Value of intermediate cost is given, primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector. So how will you find GVAMP? You have to subtract each sector separately. So GVAMP of primary sector, so value of output of primary sector minus value of intermediate consumption of primary sector. So look into the answers. So gross value added by primary sector, value of output of primary sector minus intermediate consumption. Directly it is given. So you can find by each sector, primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. So next you will be you have to add these all sectors to find GVAMP together. Okay. So after finding separately, you have to add this, that is 400 plus 100 plus 250. You can see here. Next, as I had told you, you have to convert this GVAMP to some, that is to find a sum of national income. So GVAMP we had founded it. So so what and all things we have to find to that is include to find national income. What is the notation of national income? So it is, you know what is the notation? It is NNP FC, you know. So you have to do some changes here. So you have to, what the value we had got, we have to put that value here. So we had got GVAMP. So adding these terms we will be getting GVAMP. Next we will be making the changes, conversion here. Okay. So you have to first convert G to N, gross to net. So what will you do? Minus depreciation you will be doing. Here depreciation is not given in that word. Another term is given, consumption of fixed capital. Next you have to just see another what we have to change. So this is value added. It is also known as DP. Okay, this is also known as GDPMP. Okay, so domestic product to national product we have to convert. So what will you do? You have to add NFIA. You have to add NFIA. you have to add. Next you just see another, any variation is there. So you have to do MP to FC. So what you have to do? You have to subtract NIT. Okay, you have to subtract net indirect tax. So here here I had done it for you. So just see. So you had added the terms, then you will be subtracting the, that is 80. 80 is given in the question. So 80 is a depreciation, that is consumption of fixed capital. Next you can just see if NFIA is not given. You can see that is factor income received from abroad, that is FIFA. That next factor income paid abroad, paid to abroad, so it's a theta. So FIFA minus theta is the answer. Okay, so what will be the answer? That is 10 minus 20. Here FIFA minus theta is written last. Okay, so 10 minus 20 is written here. Next you have to subtract NIT also. NIT is also given in the question. What and all are given? Okay, it is not given directly. Indirect tax and subsidies are given. You have to subtract. That is minus 50. You have to subtract 50 minus this 50 minus this 20. Okay, so we can see, so 50, so 50 minus 20, it's not written like that. So it's just what it has been made, you know, it's written as indirect tax minus what, subsidies. Okay, it's like this. So subsidies, you know, so what it is done, minus has been has going inside, so it will be changing to plus. Okay, this sign will be changing to plus, so here it is written as plus. Okay, so here it is written as plus. When bracket opens, okay, when bracket opens, it will become what, plus here. Okay, so it is done here like that here. So otherwise you can subtract it directly and do it also. Hope you understood. So what is the answer? 630 is the answer. Thank you. Any doubts? Please ask me. Thank you.